And as if our day wasn't busy enough, our final stop brought us to the city of Kandy. We spent some time wandering around the city center, grabbed some lunch, and then headed to one of Sri Lanka's most important religious sites, the Temple of the Sacred Tooth Relic. Located in the heart of Kandy, the Temple of Tooth is one of the most important religious sites in Sri Lanka and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The entry fee for foreign visitors is 2,000 Sri Lankan rupees for adults, with children up to age 15 being free. The temple is believed to house a sacred tooth relic of the Buddha, making it a major pilgrimage destination for Buddhists from around the world. The relic has been protected here since the 16th century, and throughout Sri Lankan history, possession of the relic symbolized royal authority and legitimacy. Today, the temple remains an active place of worship with daily rituals that attract both pilgrims and visitors. Visitors can enter the temple during scheduled opening hours and witness the atmosphere of devotion, including ceremonial drumming, offerings of flowers, and prayer. While the relic itself is not visible, it is kept inside a richly decorated golden shrine.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's what I saw.
Kadahi, that's so cool. He's digging in the ground. Wow. Oh, hi. Eh. Wow. You see it?
Regarde, à ta droite, à ta droite.
there's so many.
On a plus rien à donner à manger? Oh bah tiens, ils viennent tous là, regarde.
Big fish.
Les canards, les enfoirés, tout ça.